Guys, I got a fidget spinner from my friend.
Venom Gaming, what up, guys?
And I'm gonna show you tricks we can do with it. And from my last video, this is the first trick.
Yeah,
I learned it today.
just hold it on your thumb. But if you want to see how fast he can do it, let me zoom in so you can see how fast he goes. Like that. Okay. Oh, look at that. Listen to that. Hear that? Yeah, it's fast.
And I'm gonna show you another trick. You can do it on your knee and stuff. You can press your friends.
You need to put it on the concrete right here.
Okay, I'm gonna show you this one right quick. You can press your friends like how you like my skills.
Yeah, like that. But if you want to turn it off, just do that. No.
And now we're gonna do it on the ground. I hope I get 100 likes on this.
Pretty dang cool, guys. You can give you an aerial view.
You can get this at Love's.
Yeah, Love's or mostly Walmart's.
Buy Walmart, buy Sonic, but you can get it from Love's. We live in Durant.
So we got from Love's.
And he let me use it, so I'm gonna buy mine.
Yeah, because I wanted to let him do it, but just letting you know, guys, I'm nice. I always do it. So.
And I'm buying mine tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna get like 2 of these. I'm gonna do a challenge. Me and him are gonna see who can go the fastest.
Yeah.
And okay.
Let's just see what happens.
Okay, look. Now I'm gonna do it on my nose. Here we go.
Okay. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Let me get closer.
Hey, dang, I messed up.
These might fall a little bit, but who cares? Yeah, you did it.
Woo! Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's see how long it can go. Hang on, I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23.
Nice. Now let's see how long I can do it. Take the camera.
Okay,
Venom Gaming is gonna be show. He's taking the camera, guys, right now.
Right here. Okay, guys, we got a good guest here today.
Venom Gaming.
He's on Minecraft. You ready? Here he is.
See how fast I can do it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25.
25, guys. I'll beat him. Now, maybe if you give us 1,000 likes, we'll do another one, but this time with 3.
I see that.
Next time with 3. How about that, okay? Now, it's going to switch back over to him, and then we're probably going to end the video pretty soon, but...
Give me a comment down below what you want me to do next. Next video, I'm gonna grab a roller stick and try to do it if I can. Y'all can give me a thumbs down low or thumbs down. I'm gonna do a funny trick on it, and it's gonna be sucky.
Okay, but you guys want to see this little field we have? Look at that. Okay, now back to the video.
Now, you can get these at Love's or Walmart, or you can get them offline. Okay. Okay, give me a comment down low.
What should we do next? How about that? Whoa, almost fell. As you can see, I'm on stairs.
And you can get these off the line. Give me a comment down below. Give me 100 likes. See you later. Bye.
Bye, guys.